video, we will be replacing the battery in this 2003 Toyota Camry. Through the driver's side door, the hood release latch is located by the driver's left knee. And after releasing our secondary safety latch, we can gain access to the engine bay. Inside the engine bay, we want to focus on the driver's side portion of the engine. The battery is located towards the driver's side headlight. And taking a look at the battery, we have our negative terminal, our positive terminal, and our battery hold down bracket. And we'll begin by removing the negative connection point first. And I always like to cover that cable end just to make sure it doesn't accidentally hit something. We can remove our positive connection point next. And it's good practice to cover that end as well. And our hold down bracket can then be removed. And we can then work that old battery out. We can then work our new battery into position. And we do just want to double check that the positive terminal is on the side that had our positive cable, as well as the negative side with our negative cable. We can then feed that bracket underneath the handle, and we can work that bracket back on. And our battery should be fully secured if we try to shake it. And we can then reconnect our positive terminal, removing the cap first. If the terminals are corroded, you will want to clean those. Followed by our negative terminal, again removing the cap first. And we can then close the hood and take it for a test drive.